Hello everyone, we've now entered Module 3. I wanted to go over what we will be completing in this module. So the first thing that we need to make sure that you guys are participating in are the instructor-student meetings through Zoom. So you'll make an appointment with me through my appointment page. From the 28th to the 1st is the week that we have to do this. I have meetings from 1 to 3:30 on Monday available. On Tuesday, 11:30 to 2 p.m. On Wednesday, I have 8 to 9 and 4 to 8. And those are the only slots I have opened up so far. Please try to find a slot in there that works. They are only about 10 minutes in length. And in this case, we will be working on what was assigned in presentation or participation, excuse me. So let's go ahead and look at what that is. Okay, so if you go to our D2L page here, you'll see it says participation, and it lists everything that needs to be done to get this 10%. So this is the student instructor meeting that we're going to be having. Also the student instructor email, where you're required to send me an email in Spanish, and the feedback journal, where you keep track of everything, all the feedback that I have given you, any of my comments, etc. And here is the template for that, so that you're able to summarize the most important areas in which you need improvement. So that is how you get the credit for the participation. And if we go back to our important due dates, then we see for the rest of Module 3 that we have the second oral presentation as well as the second presentation feedback, the Composition 2 rough draft, and the regular VHL activities. So you have already been assigned a new partner. Your partner can be found here on groups, and you will be completing these activities from the 27th forward with your new partner. So if you do have any questions about Module 3, please let me know.